Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can have like AI models try your products on Capcut.com. Well, just like clothes basically. So go to Capcut.com, log in, go to Magic Tools and select AI model. Then you're going to basically add in the image of your clothes. They have like samples here. Make sure they're like on a clear background and they're flat. So I'm just going to upload a photo. Just going to upload this like dress for instance, and then you're just going to select the AI model you want the dress to be on. I'm just going to select this model for instance and select generate. They're going to also give you different poses for you to choose from, sorry. And I think you can also like use like shirts or like pants as well. But that's it. Once you're done, you can just export it as an image here. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!